I'm here at Huffhines Park in Richardson, Texas, and I came here to see if I can take pictures of some birds. This is a little creek running through this park, and I used to take really good pictures of water flow birds before, and today I just came to see if there's anything I can take pictures today. And then just behind me I realized there's some kind of event going on, and I can hear music. I see lots of tents. I will go there and see what's going on, but I don't see many birds. There's some in this little creek, and I'm going to try to take some pictures of. Yeah, that's good. I can see some birds there, ducks. And I see that's maybe even cormorant right there, mostly ducks. And I see some white birds in the water. I don't know what kind of birds are there. Oh, I can see there's egret right there. It's pretty far, I cannot see what kind, but I'm going to take pictures. That was good. I took lots of pictures of cormorant. There's only one there, and one egret. I think it's little egret, and there's a bunch of ducks, even some Canada geese there. But there's a lots of domesticated ducks that became stray, and looks like they live here. There's some white ducks, there's some I think it's Swedish blue, I'm not sure, but they used to be domesticated or domestic ducks, and now they are stray ducks living around this little creek in this Huffhines Park in Richardson, Texas. That's their address if you want to send them something or whatever. Okay, now I'm going to check what kind of event is going on there on the other side of this little creek. Let's go and see. There is a map. It's called Glenville Trail. Okay, there's Huffhines Park and Mark Twain Park. They're all around this area. Duck Creek Park as well.
One more time, right here, sing along. Country roads, oh, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, oh, take me home. Down those Richardson, Texas roads. Thank you very much. My name is Alex Benavidez. Y'all have a good weekend. Thank you all.
Corn dogs here.
Just a lot of tedious work trying to make
What kind of colors? Those watercolor?
No, these are actually enamel. Yes, it's the same paint I use for the glassware. Just because I like it, because I don't have to seal it, it self-cures itself.
That means water cannot...
Yeah, water cannot, because since I use it on the glass, it's for the glassware, it's dishwasher microwave safe. So when I put it on the wood, it kind of just seals it. So I really don't have to seal the wood or put a polyurethane or anything on it, because the enamel itself will harden.
Thank you. There's my guy, photography booth.
Hey,
Hello, are these photographs?
these are rough photos that I'm taking.
photographer Martin Pothier, Abilene, Texas.
Yep. Me.
Are those all photographies from Texas?
No.
That's it for today. Nice little outing. We came to this Huffhines Park in Richardson, Texas to see if there's any waterflow birds in this creek behind me. And I found some. I found some a cormorant, egret, and lots of ducks. And then just behind me, maybe you can even hear some music. There was a small fair, kind of a little state fair of Texas in Richardson that I walked through. And there's lots of vendors selling their stuff, even couple photographers trying to sell their prints of their photography business. All in all, very nice outing. Thank you very much. Please stay for the gallery of today's pictures. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Milorad out.